Got it.
Well done, Shibu.
Thank you, sir.
Pack up.
Sir?
Hmm?
Our new movie's producer is waiting for a long time for you at the hotel, sir. He said you were not reachable at the phone. He's got a stupid phone with him. I wasted a lot of time and could not complete my work at all because of that. Shit! And because of this new toll which has come, oh my god, I've really wasted my precious time because of all this.
So what's news? Any progress in our story?
Sir, we heard a lot of stories, but sir is not convinced any of them. These are all the same old stories which have come in previous films also. You know what is the present tragedy happening in our film industry? Do you have any idea? We have kept people inside the theatre with a stick in their hand. Do you know that?
What is that for?
Ha! To force people to come inside to watch a movie. Because people are not interested to watch a movie in the theatre. Nowadays, movies should be taken for youngsters alone. Little bit of vulgar scenes and some beautiful women who speak dirty language. In that case, the movie will be super hit.
Then to find a story that appeals to the youth, you make a plan, Mr. Davis.
That's the reason why I've come here now. I have a wonderful subject with me. If you listen, you'll be surprised. There was one actress whom you had introduced in the film industry. Her name is the girl who committed suicide. What is her name? Supriya. Supriya. Supriya or Manjula or Rajashri, whoever it is, I'm not bothered about that. But the main point is her personal story. We are going to make a film on that. What do you say?
No, that's not needed. It's been a long time since that ever happened. Now, should we take this and do a postmortem?
What kind of writer are you, sir? You please try to explain him and make him understand the things. Sir, please listen. Producer would have told keeping business in his mind. But I feel with the present trend, that subject has got a very good scope, sir. You just take that subject and just start the work immediately. It will be a sure hit. I'm sure. Yeah. Since you know each and every detail about her personal life of the actress, we can start the project immediately, sir.
Mr. Davis, please don't confuse me.
Sir, I am telling you for the well-being of your life. This will definitely click, sir. Sir, please give me your hand. This is my request, sir. We are doing this movie positively. Do not say no to this project. Please. Can I ask you something, sir? Actually, what happened to this actress Supriya, sir? Was she murdered or did she commit suicide? Please give us the details about that.
Hey, Aparna, what's the matter? You are very happy today?
I have never thought that Director Bharti Raja sir will call me for his next
You
film.
have to be really lucky with working with a director. Okay, did you ask him what is your role in it?
I've never asked him about that at all. Even if I get a small role in his film, I'm happy.
Anyway, you're going to work with the director. Now it will be very hard for me to get you. So, in which hotel can I expect a treat from you?
You tell me. Whichever place you fix, I have no objection. Yeah, please come in. Why are you standing there?
That treat should be very special.
Sure, a special treat for you. Please come.
Hey, who is that girl, man? Is she related to you? You haven't told me at all.
She's my servant maid.
So what? She looks good, man. Also, her looks are very gorgeous. She is hot. You don't talk anything right now. When your mom and Arun sir had come here, you should not have gone there at all.
I never thought like that. I love that actor very much. When I saw him, I just forgot myself. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, you don't have to justify yourself. If you behave properly, it's good for you. Go and do your work.
Hey, listen. I have been watching you for 2 to 3 days. Why is it your mother so angry on you? What's the reason? Tell.
I won't tell anything. She's not a nice person.
What's the matter? You tell me now.
Dad,
Yes.
you know, every night ma'am says before she's sleeping, she need me to massage her legs. When I started massaging, she says, give me more massage, she's telling. I didn't do that properly. That's why she's hating me.
You stupid girl! What did he say? Huh? How many times have I told you that if somebody comes to the house, not to come there and stand? Huh? Before you came here, it was your mother who was working for me. She knows how to behave well when she was working here. Shut up! I don't want to see your face here in this house. Get out! Get out, I said! Come on, get out! Get out! Get out from here! Get out, I said! Get out! You stupid girl! Just get out from here! Go! I'll kill you!
Just because we are getting monthly salary from her, we are leaving at least like this. Now you have destroyed that also.
Mom, I didn't do anything wrong. But I would like to say you something. You really mistaken her. She's not a good woman at all.
Let her be good or bad. Why do you bother?
I told you, right? That lady has beaten up me. Did you ever ask? It is paining. You don't sit like this. Go and ask that lady. Why did you behave brutally to my child? If you can, please slap to that lady. After that only, you can be my good mom.
It is nice to hear what you say. I am not well. Without income, how do we live?
Hello, madam. What is the rate for this biscuit?
35 rupees.
No, it is really expensive. I can't buy it for such rate. Hey, who's this? Purnima. I could not recognize you since I'm seeing you after a long time. What a change. Oh, you closed it. So you become very glamorous now. What, Purnima, you're feeling shy? By the way, both of you, where are you coming from?
Purnima's not feeling well.
That is not a problem at all. Maybe she can have few vitamin tablets for that. So nothing to worry. If she doesn't have medicines, then she'll become sick again.
Kumaresh, just this morning I thought of meeting you.
Is that so, madam?
Yeah.
Do you think I'm so handsome, madam? Okay, tell me what is the reason you wanted to see me?
The matter is simple. Can you get a chance for my daughter Purnima to act in films?
When I asked her before, she said she was not interested to act in movies. Now, why such sudden change in her mind? Don't give me a look like that. I may feel tempted, you know.
What is that?
I mean, my feelings. In other words, you can also call that as lust. I will give you the details later on, okay?
All right.
So now you want to act in a movie, right? There is a very famous director with whom I'm very close. I will bring the director tomorrow to your house. Is that okay?
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's getting late for me. I'm very busy nowadays. Okay, see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
Fine?
okay.
Bye
Don't
bye.
forget. Shall we go?
Sir, the area may be local, but the girl is very beautiful. You can see that now. Yeah, this is the house. Come. Come, sir. Sir, this is the girl whom I told you, Purnima.
Kumaresh, I am not looking for a girl who has polio.
Sir, she doesn't have any problem in her legs. She's got very beautiful legs. Purnima, get up fast, quick. Sir wants to see you. Sir, please see her beautiful legs, sir.
What is this?
Sir, she's got a very smooth and glamorous leg, sir. Do you want to see it more? Huh?
Not needed.
Okay, your wish. Sir speaks very good jokes. Purnima, this is a director whom I told you yesterday. He's come to see you.
Really?
Ah,
Hello, sir.
your mom is inside?
Yeah. Mom.
Yeah.
Please come here.
What?
Come.
Oh, you.
Yeah.
Sir, she is Purnima's mother, Malavika.
Sir is the director about whom I told you yesterday, Mr. Victor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Madam, I need to take a few pictures of Purnima.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Can I change my dress?
This dress will do. It'll be nice.
Oh, it is really hot today. Very sultry also.
After seeing the photos, I'll let Kumaresh know.
Okay, sir.
That means you like me, right?
I will tell you after having a detailed look at these photos. Kumaresh, shall we move?
Oh, okay, sir.
Just wait. I'll make some tea for you.
No thanks. See you.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you can leave. I'll come later on. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. I think director is impressed about Purnima. After doing this movie, you'll become a big heroine later on. If that happens, then I'll be the manager for all your projects.
She is very photogenic. She suits her character very much.
I have not seen that girl.
They're expected at any moment, sir. I've already told the room number, so nothing to worry.
Kumaresh,
Oh,
you have been supplying junior artists for a very long time
Yes,
now.
sir.
Did you make enough money?
nothing, sir. My only earnings are a 2-month-old pregnant lady who became my wife. That's all.
But why did you marry a pregnant lady?
Since I don't have much glamour, no girl was ready to marry me, sir, so I didn't have any choice. Sir, they've come. Come. Why so late?
Come on.
Please say hello to director.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Very
sir.
good.
Sit down.
Sit.
Doesn't matter, sir. We will stand here itself.
Photos have come out well. Purnima, do you think you can act well?
Yeah, very much, sir.
Then you have to change this name of yours.
You can give her any name as you wish, sir.
I have a good name for you. Supriya. Why? How's it?
It's very good, sir.
Very, very nice, sir.
Listen, Supriya, immediately you have to do one thing. You have to learn the new language.
You want me to learn the regional language?
If you want to become a big hero, then you have to learn a lot of languages. You know that?
Listen, I have an advice for you. More important than learning a language, you have to learn manners also.
From where I'll get that, sir?
That you'll get in the nearby market. You have to buy that and eat it 2 times a day. Anyway, Supriya, you're very lucky.
Hey, go and get his blessings. Come on, go.
My blessings. Next month, 5th onwards, we'll start the shooting at the city itself. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Cut it. It's okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Back up. Excellent. You did better than I expected. Keep it up.
It's because of you only, sir.
Today's shoot is over. You can go to the room, Supriya, and be ready by 7 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Good night.
Supriya, your dance moments were really superb.
Really?
After seeing this dance moments, lot of youngsters will become your fan and they will have sleepless nights. I'm sure about that.
But why?
After seeing your beautiful figure, all the youngsters will have a feeling. I mean, they will go in an intoxicated mood. Oh my God, please give control to these youngsters. And me too. Good morning, madam.
Yes, morning.
Is this actor Supriya's house?
That's right.
I'm coming from Haripriya Productions.
Oh, I see. Come
No,
inside.
not required. I just want to tell you something and leave immediately. Our boss Ram sir wants to meet Supriya at the earliest.
Oh.
Our company is going to start a new movie. I will send vehicle by 4 p.m.
Okay.
Supriya is not here.
just gone out. She will come soon.
Okay. Then we'll meet there, okay?
Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Come, madam, come. Please come inside. Come. You're most welcome. Come. Please sit down.
Oh, okay.
Just a second. Please come inside.
Come, dear.
Madam, you sit here. Supriya, you come.
You go and see him. I'll sit here.
Yeah, she's right. You come.
Go, child.
Ha. Come, child, come. Sit. Don't get afraid. Come on, sit. Take a seat. Supriya, you're looking very good, man. Do you know me?
I am Ramanathan, film producer.
Our company is going to invest on a huge mega project with the top leading actors. I am planning to put you as a heroine in that particular project.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's a big risk, like people like us investing on huge projects and so much risk involved into it. And if there any risk occurs, all the money that's been earned are put into the garbage. So, to continue making films, people like us will surely go for new faces like you, will surely be an inspiration for our company. Supriya, without going round the bush, I will tell you certain things very openly. I like you very much. There is an AC bed kept inside. Shall we go down there secretly?
No need, sir. We can talk from here. I'm allergic to AZ.
Funny. Don't worry at all. Whatever's happening inside, no one is going to know from outside at all. From this film onwards, you will be a #1 heroine, I bet you.
Just now I realized a actress doesn't need a talent to act. She has to sleep with the producer also. You can search someone else. Idiot. Hey, just leave me.
Where are you going? Come back.
He's a big producer in the industry. What happened? Has he fixed you for his movie?
You bloody idiot. Are you doing a pimping? For that you bring me here? Come on,
Just because that director misbehaved with you, you should not have slapped that manager. What you did is wrong. You don't know this cinema world. There should be some adjustment here and there. Otherwise, you can't survive. You should always remember this.
Which means you want me to sleep with that idiot, isn't it? If you're my real mom, will you ask me like this?
Purnima? When your mother delivered you and left you on the road, I took you from there and looked after you. Otherwise, you should be by now in some beggar's custody, losing your eyesight ears or something else. Even if I said something, it will be for your goodwill. If you think that I have spoken wrongly, please forgive me. Just a minute.
Hi, Supriya. How are you?
Sir, yeah, I'm good.
Good.
Please take your
Thank
seat.
you. Now you are a popular artist, man. The recent film that you have done has become a super duper hit, man. Anyways, congrats from my
Thank you,
end.
sir.
Oh yeah, take a seat. I have recently heard that you have got a lot of projects.
Yeah.
Is that true?
It's all because of Almighty,
Good.
sir.
Supriya, I have a glad news for you.
What's that?
The next film which I'm going to do, you will be the heroine in it. As a special case, I have recommended your name to the producer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
It's a great opportunity to act with you, sir. I'm really blessed.
For the story discussion of that movie, I have arranged for a get together at Taj Hotel. You have to be there on time. I want you to come alone.
Sorry, sir. I'm not used to that kind of get-together and all.
What's this, Supriya? See, these things are common in the film industry, man. Acting means acting. Think that you're doing an act in this, that's all. I've specially booked a suit room in it.
Just shut up. If you want to get a good chance, I have to remove my clothes in front of everyone. I am not that type.
Supriya, in this film industry, new faces like you has to do several adjustments to reach to a higher level. Why are you irritated with men like this? Huh?
If I like someone who likes me a lot, I don't even mind to sleep with him. I never have a problem to give birth to his kids. But without my knowledge, if somebody touches my body, then I will just kill him.
Hello. Yes, this is Supriya's house. Supriya has gone for shooting in Kerala. She'll come back only after 2 weeks. Balance Tamil film shooting is fixed here, is it? How is that possible? Do one thing, you call Supriya and speak to her. Okay. Then shall I keep the phone?
This costume should be okay. Yeah, fine.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, I would like to talk
Sit
something.
down. Tell me.
I'm really sorry to talk to you like this. Sir, tomorrow morning I have a shoot in Chennai. Just now I got a call from them. It's for a song shoot. They already fixed the releasing date.
Okay.
Can I get 2 days permission, sir?
Actually, Supriya, if you go, then we will not be able to take shoot.
Please don't say like that, sir. If I won't go, it will be big trouble for me. Please, just for 2 days, sir. This is my humble request, please, sir.
Okay, but you should give an assurance that you will come within 2 days. Otherwise, we'll get into a problem. All of us will sit idle.
No, sir. I'll be on time.
Promise?
Promise. Thank you very much, sir.
Supriya, Film Weekly people are waiting here for you for a long time. Just give them an interview.
Oh my god. I'm not used to giving interviews and all, sir. I'm very scared.
Why do you worry about that? They will just ask you a few questions and you have to answer whatever you know.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Yeah, ask me.
Madam, from the beginning onwards, you're doing all types of glamorous roles. If you continue doing this, won't you be fed up with this?
Actually, everybody liked my first movie. Because of that, everybody is calling me for the same kind of movies. Even I like to do better than this. I love to do that.
Okay. Madam, are you a God-fearing person?
Yeah, of course.
Nowadays, women are being projected so much in the society and it's a trend.
What is your opinion about Mother Teresa?
She's my favorite personality, Mother Teresa. I would like to do good works like Mother Teresa.
How can you ask me like that? This is the way you behave with an artist. This is not right. And also I have to go to Madras today itself. 9:30 is my flight time.
Madam, I can understand your situation. But if you stay here, then the producer will bring money. He has to pay me 1,20,000 rupees. For the past 3 days, he's absconding.
But what is the use of trapping me like this? Do I book your room, huh?
Madam, you are the only solution for this problem. Unless producer brings the money today, you will not be allowed outside. I am helpless, ma'am.
Okay, sir, I will give it. Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
That is not our problem. We have to get back our money. And this is the only solution for that.
What's the problem upstairs?
Some shooting people were staying over here. They didn't give us some money, so we have to stop Supriya from going. That is what this noise.
No, madam, I don't want any excuses for that. Please try to cooperate.
Supriya?
Don't behave like this, okay? If you don't let me to go, otherwise I'll call the police.
Call immediately so that we can get back our money. Anil,
Yes, sir.
lock the room.
Don't lock the room. I have to go.
Mr. Rajesh, what is the problem?
Sir, this movie's producer has to pay a lot of money to us. For the past 3-4 days, he's absconding. To get back our money, we are holding back, madam.
What the hell are you doing? If the producer doesn't pay, why should you retain the actress in the room? After all, she did not book it. She is a celebrity, no? If she takes up legal action, you have to stay in the court itself.
Tomorrow morning, I have shooting in Chennai, sir. If I don't go, association will take the action against me.
Oh. What is the amount that he owes you?
1,20,000.
Okay, that amount I will pay now. Let her live. When the producer makes the payment, give it back to me.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Anil.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Excuse me. Actually, I didn't recognize you.
I'm Ram Kumar. I'm an exporter.
I frequently come to Chennai.
I even have an office there.
Oh, really?
I've seen most of your movies. Immaterial of which language you've acted, I've liked it all. I like your acting.
Thank you, sir. Sir, actually, I'm late. You must call me when you come to Chennai.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Ram Kumar, sir. Oh, come in, sir. It's really a surprise. Come in. Please sit. 1 minute. Please sit down, sir. Actually, it's a very small house. Did you get back the amount you paid for me?
Not yet. After that, I could not go there itself.
That day, if you had not paid that amount, it would have been a big problem for me. Everyone were waiting for me over here.
Sir, would you like to have some tea or coffee?
Hey, no, nothing. I just had my breakfast now. See, Supriya, if I tell you something, please don't take it to your heart.
What's the matter, sir?
An actor like Supriya should not live in a house like this. That can affect your career itself.
Even I like to shift from the small house to a bigger one. I don't know whether it will happen. But the remuneration I get, it's not at all enough, sir. This house is rented one.
Then can I give you a suggestion? Supriya, you can shift to my bungalow temporarily. Whenever I come home, I just stay for 2 and 3 days, that's all. Rest of the days, it's usually closed.
Oh, no thanks, sir. If at all I'm shifting from here, it will be to my own house. That's my wish.
So what is the problem? Just think that it is your own house. Otherwise, Supriya, if you have any problems living for free, give me the rent. I will accept it.
This house is very lucky for me, sir.
Okay. In that case, let your mother or someone else stay here. How's that?
I will consult with my mom.
Hey, come on. Please go and get the luggage outside.
It's really fantastic. Beautiful.
These are not normal paintings. Very expensive. There is only one bedroom downstairs. Master bedroom is upstairs. Catch. The 2 bedrooms are here. That is the office room. It's lying vacant. This is the master bedroom. Listen, I'll leave to Bombay by tomorrow evening's flight. I'll be back only after 2 days. If you need anything, please call. This is my card. Supriya, I have an advice for you.
What's that?
Supriya, you're not doing your best. In your career, you have to concentrate more. After I return from Bombay, we'll call all the media people here and plan a good coverage, okay?
Things like it's going to rain today. Supriya baby, are you ready?
Ready, sir?
Vijay, can you just cut the glare?
Madam, what is this? What is this? Is this my size? Go. What is all this? Go.
I'm ready, sir. Can you just call the artist?
What is all this? You didn't wash it?
Ma'am, the
What
shot is
this?
ready.
What shot? Go.
Ma'am, the shot is ready.
You go get some water for me.
This is a continuation of yesterday's shot, ma'am. Your brother is loving Supriya and you're neglecting it. And due to this reason, you're making a big scene. When you're about to insult her, she will hit you.
Huh?
Hope you understood. Murthy, can you come and brief the dialogue to them?
Okay, sir.
Sir, do you need all these things in this particular scene, sir?
Why? Why are you asking?
That is, if I act in this scene, my image will be spoiled, sir.
Your image will go? How is that?
A senior artist like me getting a slap from a new heroine like her, my fans will never accept it, sir.
What is this, Aparna? This is only an acting, no? If an heroine is coming to act, there should be a demand in acting to that character. She is the best artist for that role.
What you said is correct, sir, but this is my personal request, sir. Can you just avoid the scene?
What, Aparna? Why are you talking such things? What is your real problem?
Sir, she was my servant maid, sir. It's quite disgusting to get a slap from her.
Sir. Whether she was my boss or I was a servant, when she comes for acting, it's a duty to cooperate with her co-star.
Being a senior artist, you shouldn't have talked like this at all. Here the person is going to hit you is not Supriya. This is just a character in this film.
Sir, please.
Impossible. Please don't waste your time. Go and get ready now. Or else I have to go to the union and file a complaint against you. Murthy, come and teach a dialogue.
Okay, sir.
Ready?
Ready, sir.
All lights. Start camera.
Rolling, sir. 13 by 1, take 1.
Action.
What right you've got to get married to my brother? A cheap, characterless woman and a prostitute like you. As long as I'm alive, I will never allow it. You stupid girl, get out of my house.
Cut. Very good.
This is a very costly foreign wine.
Uh-huh.
When I was in Bombay, my friend gave it to me.
Oh, no thanks, sir.
Hey, the alcohol content in this is very low. Not only that, having wine every day is very good for your health also. Hey, just take a sip.
No
If you
way.
don't like the taste, it's okay.
No, I don't want, sir.
Come on. Taste it. Drink it. Hey. Oh, hey. Oh my god.
It tastes like grape juice.
Give that. I'll pour you more. Here. Hey, you're drinking wine as if this is water.
Shut up.
Hey. Hey, careful.
Sir, it seems like a job.
You just enjoy the feel.
I want to sleep for some time. Otherwise, I'll be fat.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Supriya, you got up early?
No, sir. Just now with them. I'll bring some coffee.
Supriya? Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you, sir. You kept in mind this day.
How can I forget a famous actress's birthday so easily? Open it and see.
Diamond necklace. This is my precious gift ever I got.
No. Supriya, from now on, you should not call me sir. You can call me RK. I would prefer if you call me RK. Do you know that today is very special? From today on, Supriya, you are a part of my life. Not only that, even in my business, Supriya, you will be an equal partner. From the time Ramkumar came into Supriya's life, her career graph was upwards. Using his contacts in Bombay, she acted in Hindi films too. And after that, she became one of the most sought-after actors in this country itself.
This will be a great movie, sir. It will be a mega hit. Sir, if you don't believe me, then I will write it in bond paper and give it to you. Okay?
But director has not told the entire story. You have to hear the balance also.
So this is just an outline you have told me. Which means you're going to start the complete story just now. Okay, come on. Then why are you waiting? Come fast!
Supriya.
Karan!
Good evening. I'm Rahul.
Hi.
Good
I'll
evening.
never miss to watch your movies. I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you. From where you're coming?
We are doing computer engineering from SRM College.
Uh-huh.
Let me be very frank. It was my dream I should meet you someday.
Oh,
This is my
really?
memorable day for me in my life. Ma'am, autograph please.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Can you write on my heart please? If you write over there, it won't fade off.
Hey, tell me the truth, bro. You're going to Chennai to see Supriya, no?
When I get chance to go to Chennai, then how can I miss to see my favorite actress Supriya?
But do you think she will allow you inside her house to see her?
Nothing is impossible for this Rahul Ram. So the rest I will talk after I come from Chennai, okay? All the best. Happy journey. Thank you.
Who's that?
I'm Rahul. Have you forgotten me? Ooty, shooting spot, autograph.
Yeah, I remember. Rahul, why are you here?
I came to attend interview in American consulate.
Oh,
Madam, are you staying here?
yes. Why are you asking that?
No, nothing. This is my home.
This is Mr. Ramkumar's house, right?
Yes. He's my dad.
Come in. Sit down.
I never knew, madam, that dad has rented this house to you.
It's been 2 weeks since I've come to this house.
Oh, that's very nice. Ram Kumar Bungalow will become famous the moment they know that you are staying here.
1 minute. Rahul, you sit down. I'll be back.
Okay.
When did you come?
I came early morning.
I have given this bungalow for rent to the actor Supriya. Whenever I come here, I just stay for 2-3 days, that's all. Otherwise, house is closed, no. Supriya's not here?
She is here. She just went upstairs. Here she is.
Huh? Hi, Supriya. This is my son, Rahul.
We have met.
In the American consulate, he has got an interview today. For higher studies, he's planning to go to the US. By the way, don't you have shooting today?
Today, I have shoot in the afternoon.
I just came to the central excise today. By the way, you told me the AC is not working. I had called the mechanic this morning.
Yeah, he came and saw.
Oh,
He said there is a leak in the gas.
oh, okay. Rahul, shall we go to the hotel?
Okay.
And then, shall I leave? Come on. Though you got your study leave before your exams, why didn't you go home then?
When I have a project to do, then how can I go home, Daddy?
After the interview, go to our native, meet mom, and then go to Coimbatore. Yes, come in. Here. Train is at 7:40. When you leave, lock the room and give the key at the counter. I'll leave to Bombay by 8:30 flight. I will leave a bit early. I have to meet a person.
Yes! I will not go to my native place today. I want to meet Supriya. Hey, Kiran, it's me, Rahul. Today I met Supriya, my dear friend. If you hear what I'm going to say next, you'll be shocked. You know what? Now Supriya is staying in our bungalow. Yes, really. No, I'm not going to come for now. I'll come only after acting 2 to 3 films with Supriya. You tell about this to all of our friends. Okay, then I will call you after I meet Supriya. Okay?
Supriya?
What happened? You didn't go to Mumbai?
I'm on my way to the airport. I have an important thing to say. That's why I've come.
Tell me what?
The relationship that we share, Rahul should never know about it. He shouldn't even have a doubt about it. Why are you sitting so sad today?
You never said that you have a son. Why did you hide it from me?
Oh, is that the reason? I've already told you that I have a son, haven't I? Even if he's small or big, he is my son only, no? I haven't hidden anything from you. Don't feel so sad. Hey, come on. Cheer up. I'm leaving. Good night.
Good morning.
Rahul, you didn't go out?
No. Even today I got an interview. I will leave for my native place tonight.
Why are you so early today?
Madam, just leave it. From today onwards, I'm just going to stop it. I feel some distance between us. Don't you feel, Supriya?
You are younger than me, no? If you want, you can call me sis.
Sorry, I can't call you sister. I like to call you Supriya. I just came here to tell you about my wish. If you think you can help me, will you get me a chance for acting in your films?
For acting?
Why? Don't I have glamour to act in movies?
More than glamour, you need a lot of talent.
Oh, the people who are acting nowadays are not from film institute, Supriya.
See, my opinion is, first you finish your higher studies. Then we will think about the acting. You can act whenever you want.
Well, my ambition is to act with you as your hero.
If the train is at 7:40, it's no use going there by 8 p.m. You don't know that?
It's not that, Dad. I left home at the right time. But there was a heavy traffic in Mount Road. The moment I have reached the station, train just started moving.
You can give any number of excuses. Whenever you have to go to some place, why can't you leave a bit early? Time is very precious. And if you lose it, you cannot get it back. And even the ticket is waste. Anyway, don't leave by train now. I'll book your ticket by flight for tomorrow morning.
Then you are not coming with me?
Not now. I will come 2 days later. You just tell your mom about it.
Hello? Yes?
I'm going to my native place. Now I'm calling from airport. Actually, I had a thought of meeting you. But you know, Dad dropped me directly in the airport. I will be coming back to Chennai again.
For what? You finished your work here.
I can come in the presence of seeing you?
Yeah, Rahul. I'll be not here for a month. I'm going for an outdoor shooting. Rahul, I'll call you back. I have a guest.
Who was that?
Rahul, he called from the airport.
Why should he call you?
Rahul wants to act in the movie. He's asking me to give him a chance.
Idiot. You don't have to encourage him like this. He wants to act, it seems.
Today Balu sir had called. Second schedule going to start on Friday.
Other than advance, he hasn't given you anything, no? Ask him to send some more money. You go after that.
Okay.
To deposit in the bank, do you have any check or DD with you?
Yeah, I have.
You said you'll come here yesterday?
I wanted to, but I missed my train.
What about the interview?
My interview is finished, but it will take time for processing my papers.
Why didn't your dad come?
Dad has got some important work. He will just finish it and come.
You go and fresh up now. I'll keep your breakfast ready.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Artist Supriya?
Room number 109.
Here?
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Hello.
Hey, Rahul. How come you're here?
My house is here. It's just 1 hour drive.
Oh, come in.
You didn't tell me that you have a shooting over here.
I have told you. That day itself.
Is it?
You sit. I'll be back.
Hey, Supriya, what happened? What happened?
I slipped.
Come.
Ointment, I kept it there, Rahul. Give it to me.
No, I will apply for you. It was good. You didn't bang your hair.
It's paining. Oh my god. Enough, Rahul. Rahul, you didn't go yet?
No. How can I leave you and go in this condition?
It's all right. After applying ointment, I'm feeling really better.
You fell asleep. That's why I didn't wake you up. It's better tomorrow you can just go to hospital and take an X-ray. I will take you.
Come on. Why all that? I'm all right now.
Hey. Supriya, you didn't have your food?
I'm not feeling hungry. It's already late. You go and eat.
Oh, I don't want anything. Oh, no. It's almost 12. If I go by this time, my mom will scold me.
Then go in the morning. You can sleep in the hall itself.
Good night.
Good night. Why so early today?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
We are supposed to be ready at 7 o'clock itself because the location is far away.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I'll get ready soon. Oh,
Okay.
okay. You know this guy? Mr. RK's son.
I know him.
You got shooting in morning itself?
Actually, the location is a bit far from here, so I have to get ready.
Okay,
soon.
then I will leave.
Is Supriya inside?
She is inside, sir.
Oh my god! I can't believe it.
I had gone to your house and they told me that you have come here for shooting.
It's been years since we met. Whenever I come for shooting to your place, I have inquired about you. Somebody told me you shifted the house. Come on, please take your seat.
Those who don't have their own house will keep on changing homes.
Sir, you have not changed at all. The only change is you have put on some weight.
Now you have started speaking very fluently.
It's all your blessing, sir.
Sit down.
Sir, tell me what's news.
Nothing much to say. After a long gap, I'm making a new movie.
Is it a children's movie? You're going to direct? So, I don't have any role.
Even after becoming so famous, your idiotic questions haven't left you.
That's my basic nature, sir. How can I change that?
What I meant by small film is a film without big stars like you. A low budget film.
Which means, is it an award movie? You don't have to pay me a single penny to act in your movie, sir. Won't you get me an award, sir?
That house, did you buy it?
No, sir. That's Arki's house.
RK, Ramkumar. I know everything. An innocent girl like you fell into his trap. The fact that he has a wife and a son, you didn't know, did you? If it's difficult to give an answer, don't say. We'll change the topic.
When I couldn't afford for a single meal, it was only you who made me a famous actress. I don't have anything to hide from you, sir. Our relationship was started from a small incident. This is just an involvement of a ordinary actress called Supriya who have no difficulties in her life. That's all. Maybe all this motivated in between RK and me without our knowledge. I strongly believe that. I didn't care he's married or unmarried. I never thought about it. Without any social formalities and without any legal binding, a life with an understanding, that is what I wanted. He didn't tell me that he has a wife and son. He hid that truth from me. He confessed about it only after 2 years. When I heard it first, I was really upset. But I couldn't stop loving RK at all. Though I don't know much about life, maybe my calculations may sometime negative or positive. I will consider that as my fate.
In your version, whatever you say could be right. But then, can I ask you something? After acting in so many films, what do you have in hand? Your own house? A car? Bank balance? Nothing. This is cinema. Tomorrow, if you don't get opportunities, and if you lose your glamour, no one will be there for you, not even your RK. I didn't say this to make you feel sad. Let's hope nothing like that happens. At least now, You should think about your future. Ah, and then about the date, I will call and tell you how many days are required.
Okay, sir. For that, you have to tell me 10 days before. I'll be there on time.
Okay. What happened? Those producers from Bobby, did they call?
No. They said the director will come and contact me. That's what they said.
Since this is the first entry in Hindi, listen to the full story and then commit. You said there are 2 heroines, no? There is no use doing a character without prominence.
They'll said they send me the synopsis. If the character is not good, I'll not accept it. Today, the person who introduced me, director Victor Lina sir, came to see me. He said he's directing a new movie.
Did he come for your date or something?
Yes. He's directing a movie after a long gap. I said I'll act free of cost.
Why did you give such an offer unnecessarily? No. That's not required. If you really have to show some gratitude, you just have to give some discount to him, no?
I have promised him.
See, this is your problem. This is the time we need some extra money. Do you know how many checks have bounced this time? You do not do dubbing. After the shooting is over, I have asked you to collect the cash, but you don't listen to me. All you have is a lot of sentiments. You have still not become professional in taking remuneration.
Ramkumar sir is at home?
No, only madam is here.
Call her.
Okay. Madam, some people have come. They want to see you.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
We are coming from Union Bank. Is Ramkumar here?
He's not here. He's not in station. What's the matter?
Madam, for the past 6 months, payment has not been made for the loan amount. We have sent lot of reminders but no response at all. If it is delayed more, we may have to seal this house. So the moment sir comes, please tell him to come and see the manager.
We are leaving.
Okay?
What happened? You're not feeling well?
Today, 2-3 people had come from Union Bank. They have tried to calling you many times, but you have not responded.
They told me to tell you that you have to meet the manager as soon as possible.
Oh, they don't have anything better to do. The bank people have so many formalities.
Did you pledge your house and office to apply for a loan?
Obviously, will any bank sanction loan without taking security? All businessmen do these kind of things.
Already you have withdrawn full amount from my account, right? I'm really scared. I don't even have a house of my own.
House? Why do you need another house? This house is for you, no?
Someone else has got the rights, not me. Legally, I'm not on to you, RK.
Why suddenly you're thinking like this and all? Who gave you all these funny ideas? You may think that I'm in many problems, but it's not true. Those bank issues, I'll solve it myself. You don't have to worry about that. Hey, come on. Tomorrow I have to go to my native. I'll be back only after 2 or 3 days.
Hello, Supriya. I'm Rahul.
Tell me, Rahul.
I was hoping that you will be free today. You don't have shoot?
I have work in the afternoon.
It's fine, so that I could talk to you now. I am calling from home. Monday I have college, but I am not going.
Why are you not going?
I can't concentrate on anything, even in my studies. I have only Supriya in my mind.
Rahul, what do you mean by this? Listen, you shouldn't have such thoughts in your mind at all, Rahul. Instead of thinking all these things, just concentrate on your studies only. Otherwise, you will spoil your future.
My present and my future is only Supriya. I can't control anymore. I need you. I love you, Supriya.
Rahul, if you're going to talk rubbish like this to me, I'll complain to your dad. I gave little bit of freedom to you. That's the reason you're talking to me like this. You don't call me in future.
Supriya? 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 Shit.
Why did you phone and tell me that I have to come immediately?
I have to talk to you about our son.
Oh, that you could have told over the phone.
This cannot be told on the phone. It's been a week since he's come from Coimbatore, and now again he's gone. And he knows that you're coming today.
And what was he doing all these days here?
He's not interested in studies at all. Why don't you go and see his room now? His room is full of that actress Supriya's photos. When I asked him why he did all these things, he said he's a fan of her. I don't know what he's talking. Last time he went to the shooting spot of that Supriya and he came home only after a day. You know that? You are the cause of all these things now. Why did you rent the Chennai house to that actress Supriya? That's the reason why he's behind that actress. These cinema actresses are always money-minded people. They only go for rich people. And moreover, our son is very young. If you don't stop him...
I will talk to him. You go and get me a tea. Hello? Is the maid there? Yeah. Yeah, are you there? This is RK.
Good morning. What's the matter, sir?
In that shooting location, to see Supriya, did my son Rahul come there?
He was here, sir.
And did he stay at that house overnight?
About that,
I know everything. Don't try telling lies to me. Tell me the truth.
okay. He came here in the evening and he was here in the night. When I went there in the morning, he was with her there. After that, he dressed up and went off immediately.
Okay.
Sir, whatever I told you, don't ever tell her, please.
Just avoid me for this puja. I have got some other work in Tamil on that day. From the very first day, I've been there for the shoot. Yeah. Oh no. No. I don't mind if it's a new hero. Yes, sir. I never mind. Yeah. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, come on. No. Yeah.
Supriya?
Sir, I'll give you a call back. Why did you enter into my bedroom without knocking the door? I could
Calm down.
Why did you suddenly cut my call?
It's because Rahul, you were crossing beyond your limits.
I cut the call.
I don't think so. I spoke to you in a wrong manner. Is it wrong to express my feeling? Yes. Yes. I love you. I need you. I need you.
Rahul, just stop. Did you come all the way at this time just to tell this? Rahul, just leave this place immediately. Otherwise, I'll call your dad.
No, I'm not going. I have only you in my mind always. I'm crazy. I'm crazy about you. I love you. I love you, Supriya.
Rahul!
I love you. I want you. Come here. I need you. I want you. Please, Supriya. 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 I want you.
Get out! Get lost from here! Otherwise, I'll call your dad and tell everything. Get out!
Call. Let him come. Not only daddy. Whoever comes, I don't mind. I can't survive without you. Otherwise, I will kill myself.
What's wrong with you?
Why did Rahul come here? In this odd time, to barge into your bedroom. What is the relationship that you and he has?
Tell me, who is Rahul to you, RK? He's your son, right?
Son, do you think I am a fool?
What's the problem, RK? I'm not able to understand.
You won't understand anything. To make you understand, just read what is written here.
Since I'm a famous actress, these kind of gossips are normal. If you take all these things seriously, then I'll stop acting. These are all looked up stories made by Aparna and Arun Kumar. It's fake news.
Nonsense. When you had gone for shooting that day, didn't Rahul stay with you for one full night? Now can you say that this is a lie? You can't. I have all the evidences with me. What happened? Don't you have anything to say? Tell me.
It's true. I don't deny. Rahul was in my room. It's only because he's your son. But does it mean that he slept with me?
Enough. Whatever you're saying, I won't believe any of it. I have told you umpteen times that you should not maintain contact with him. But still, you continued that without my knowledge. He is my son. You cheated me.
Do you think I'm a fool to share my bed with both father and son at the same time? I'm not that cheap. And now you're talking about cheating. It's not me. It's you who cheated me. You never told me that already you have a family. You hid the truth from me. Even after I knew that you have a grown-up son, I never stopped hating you or loving you. I can't even think of it. But if you think that you've lost your trust in me, then in that case, we will stop it here itself. In all these days, whatever I had earned, you are keeping it. I want all that back.
Rahul? 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 Why did you go to meet Supriya? What relationship do you have with her? I want straight answers. Tell me.
I love Supriya. I want her to be mine.
Shut up. Have you gone completely mad? She is an actress, that too elder than you. Have you thought about your future? Fool.
Daddy!
Is it enough that you like her? Hey, she also should like you, no?
Supriya likes me a lot. I will love her with your permission.
Impossible. It will never happen. Now we can't stay a moment at this house. Come, let's go home.
No,
Hey.
I'm not coming. I can't live without her.
What madness is this? Huh?
I will end my life. If I don't get her.
Listen to me. Rahul. Rahul, stop there. Rahul. 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 It was soon after that I heard about Supriya's death. I first heard that it was actually a murder. And after that, it turned into a suicide. Why she could have committed suicide, I still don't have a clue. After all, she was human. It only takes a minute to change a person's mind.
Sir, whatever heard, I don't think this would have been a suicide. Whatever it is. Climax should be an unpredictable one. Very different.
The court's verdict was it was a suicide. Then how do we visualize it differently?
That can be taken in any way. But after seeing the climax, the audience should be thrilled, sir. Hello, writer. You should write a thrilling climax scene, okay? Let me think about it. Unpredictable climax. I will write.
Supriya. I totally failed to understand you. I actually misunderstood you. I hurt you. Sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Rahul, it's his age. Towards you, he just had an infatuation. And it was because of that he turned into something else. Now everything will be all right. After all, he is my son. I can't ditch him just like that. You should never hate me.
Sorry, dear. I had to do this because I had no other choice.